So the other week I showed you guys my new Instant Pod coffee maker that I have been using every day. I have been loving it. I have some thoughts about it that I will share in another video when I do like an updated review. But I got another toy to add to my coffee making collection, and I wanted to share that with you guys as well. Instant Pot just came out with this new milk frother, and so I had to go over to Walmart this morning and pick it up. I've never had a milk frother before, but it looks really fun to make, you know, lattes and cappuccinos and hot chocolates and stuff. I already unboxed it, but I'll go ahead and take everything apart so you can see all the pieces of the product. This, of course, is the base that plugs in. There's the lid. And then the pitcher is here. You can see it's got a non-stick coating inside. I prefer a stainless steel, but it is what it is. And then inside is the little removable whisker thing. Whisk? Little frother. We'll call it a frother. That just goes right down in there, so it makes it easy to clean, being able to remove that. You can see the markings on the inside here. If you're doing like frothing the milk, there's the max line, the lower max line, and then if you're just heating the milk, there's the higher max line. You can heat up to 10 ounces of milk or froth 5 ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and make a shot of espresso with my Instant Pod, and then I am going to froth up some half and half here and make kind of a cappuccino. I'm going to go ahead and just do 4 ounces. Oops, I just turned it off. Oh, those buttons. Now while that's brewing, I'm gonna play with this here. So as far as the different functions, there's 4 options here. You can do cold foam, you can do light foam, heavy foam. Both of these are warmed. This is the only cold one. The rest of them are warm. So warm, light foam, warm, heavy foam, and then this is just the heating the milk setting where you can do up to 10 ounces. And the rest of these you can do only 5 ounces as a max. I'm going to go ahead and put in my half and half up to the frother max line. There we go. And they say it's best to start out with as cold as possible milk. Then you can just toggle through the different settings with the function button. And I want it on thick foam, and I'm just going to hit start. And it goes for 3 minutes. And you can press stop at any time. There it goes. This is all ready. It's super quiet. I don't know if you can even hear it on the video, but it's very, very quiet. The Instant Pod coffee maker is louder. It just stopped. And that's what it looks like. It looks so yummy. I'm not a fancy barista. I can't make any pretty designs or anything, but ooh, look at that. I'll just show you the thickness of the foam here. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. So good, guys. Oh man. It's like having a Starbucks in my house. All right, with the rest of this frothed milk, I'm going to try to make some fluffy hot chocolate and let the kids try it. I'm just going to do a couple teaspoons of sugar and maybe a teaspoon of cocoa. Nothing too fancy, just throwing something together here. And I guess, I don't know if I put it on stir and warm, if it'll just knock out all the bubbles and there won't be any foam left. I don't know, maybe I'll put it on, I guess it's already on the light foam. I'll try that. Whoa. Are you guys going to be my taste testers?
Yeah.
You excited for some hot chocolate?
Yeah.
All right, it just finished. That's what it looks like. Not quite as fluffy and foamy. Some of the foam got knocked out, but it's still pretty fluffy. All right.
I like fluffy.
Yeah. Oh, that is pretty fluffy still. That's good.
It's hot.
Well, yeah, it's supposed to be.
It's not that hot.
It didn't burn your mouth, did it? No, it's not too hot. And
It's really good.
so much fluff.
Really good.
Yeah?
Do you think you can make it for everybody?
I'm sure we could. Well, and then we made it with half and half too. That makes it extra creamy and good. You could just make it with regular milk too.
That's good.
Yeah.
I was trying to make this all by myself so quickly. So
Yeah, you know, it's a pretty easy thing to make in that machine, so maybe you could learn how to make it by yourself.
I want to learn how.
Yeah. And we could experiment with other different kinds of drinks. You can make chai tea lattes and like flavored, like steamers, flavored steamers.
Can I finish this?
Of course you may. You forgot, Renee, you forgot to give thumbs up. So you can give thumbs up on the hot chocolate, but we're talking about the milk frother. Is it, for the milk frother, how many thumbs up do you give it?
I give it probably 100.
100? Okay, that sounds pretty good.
It makes such good hot chocolate.
Yeah. How many thumbs up?
First homemade chocolate is 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, okay. And then what about the milk frother? How many thumbs up do you give the milk frother? Did it reach your expectations? Did it exceed your expectations? Is there anything that could be better about it?
I think it's going to need some whipped cream.
Well, that doesn't have anything to do with the milk frother. So the milk frother, I think you got to give it 2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
Because it did what you wanted it to do and more.
Well, this is just how much thumbs up I give this.
Okay.
Probably 100 and 1,000 together.
Oh, 1,100. That's 1,100.
Mm-hmm. That's amazing.
So as far as I know, these are only available at Walmart right now. I was able to order it online and then go in and pick it up in the store just the very next day. And yeah, just wanted to share our new toy with you. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic, and I'll see you again real soon. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.